Opening up Word and Outlook can happen two different ways. You can download the application to your computer, and you can find it here, Word or Outlook, and those open up as separate applications to your computer. Or you can open it up by using a web browser. So I use Google Chrome. It's down here on my taskbar. I'll open up a new tab and I go www.office.com, and I've already signed in a few times, so it's recognizing my username, but you would just click sign in. You would type in your email address first, and then you would hit next, and then this window pops up for your password. Type in your password, sign in. You can choose yes or no for that. And then up pops your home base with Microsoft through a browser. So you have access to Outlook, Teams, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Forms, a bunch of different apps that are online. However, if you use the Word app through here, it doesn't give you as many options as if you downloaded the actual application. So I'm going to show you Outlook first. So you click on Outlook, and this is usually how I check my email, but you can download the Outlook application to your computer. Alright, so this is the email about this training, and my attachments are up here. And I can leave that tab open or close it and go back to the hub, and I can choose to open up Word here. And these would be recommended, so they would probably be like the ones that I've most recently opened in my Teams. And you can choose a new blank document. Alright, and you get these tools up here, not as many as you would get on the Word document itself. So that's your home, ribbon, insert, less options, much less options, but still it'll get you where you need to go if you have to get something created in a pinch. Alright, so this is the online version of Word, and that was the online version of Outlook.